5 healthy foods for gym goers. Number 1. Greek yogurt. Packed with protein and probiotics for muscle recovery and gut health. Number 2. Quinoa. A complete protein with essential amino acids and fiber to fuel your workouts. Number 3. Almonds. Rich in healthy fats, protein, and magnesium to support muscles function. Number 4. Sweet potatoes. Full of complex carbs and antioxidants for sustained energy and recovery. Number 5. Spinach. Loaded with iron and vitamins to boost your overall health and endurance. Add these to your diet for better performance. Don't forget to follow quick fixes for more tips.